Welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 23. Which of the following countries has the least potential for the production of steel? A. India, B. Cuba, C. Japan, D. Germany, E. Mexico. Now, for us to get this in perspective from the data available on steel production, it's very important that we know that the following countries: India, Japan, Germany, and Mexico are all ranked among the world's steel production countries. All of them rank among the world steel production countries. This is from Wikipedia. We can get this. So all of them rank among the globally world recognized steel production companies. So from this you can find out that this India is here, Japan is here, Germany is here, Mexico is here. The only country left there is Cuba, and that is why Cuba is the answer. Cuba has the least potential. This is because Cuba is not globally known for steel production. So Cuba is the right answer for this, and that is the answer. Thank you.